Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
I am a law-abiding citizen. I have full faith in the judiciary, and today it was my duty as leader of opposition, as an MLA, to protect my colleague, to stay with the people of Goa. And this type of let me tell you, this type of allegations, counter allegations, we created no crime. The police are hand in glove with the government, trying to stifle our voice. आमचो आवाज बंद करपाचो प्रयत्न कितने करू. He sat on a hunger to strike, and he was given an assurance that no complaints would be filed. But Dr. Pramod Sawant हांव सांगपाक सोदता, तुमकां भिवपाची गरज आसा. 27 गोंयकार एकठांय जावन कितें तें तुमकां दाखयतले. म्हाका दिसता आज कितले प्रयत्न तुमी करा, आमचो आवाज बंद जावपाचो ना. I am not a purchasable commodity. Let me tell this very, very clear. I am not for sale, and I will never be for sale. I have principles of my own. I will fight for my constituency.